Good morning, traders. Richard here doing quick Ichimoku Cloud Chart market review of Bitcoin. We'll start with the monthly Ichimoku Cloud just to get a really big picture perspective. Now, the firm sales signals on the daily, we'll cover them a little bit later, was 61,000, 53,000 up there. So we had plenty of time to get out on time. And what's interesting now, what I'm really looking for is where can the sell-off stop, or where's the next key support zone for Bitcoin. Now on the monthly we can see Bitcoin sliced through this front cloud support zone, as well as this bottoming level there, that level there as well. And now it did that old high, it lost support at that old high of 19,000 roughly. So the next major support level is these old highs there, 1388. Well, exactly, I don't know quite exactly. Let's see what that figure is. The high is 13,895, and then the next key level is the bottom in this cloud chart support line. That's a major support zone, 9814. So these are the downside risk targets on the monthly Bitcoin chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly. You can see there where the 61,053 was the daily cloud chart sell signals. There was a Ichimoku cloud chart sell signal there, and another one as it sliced through the bottom end of the cloud. You could also have used that resistance level there as another sell signal. But the last major sell signal to get out of Bitcoin completely was when it sliced through the bottom end of the monthly cloud here. Then it entered bear market territory on the weekly. It's already been in bear market territory on the daily for some time up here, and then it sliced through the cloud support zone. It failed to find support at these old lows there, those levels there. We have to put a horizontal line there. So the 28,000 resistance level, support level, did not hold. It was a couple of weeks of testing it, then it sliced through, and then the next level we were looking out for was this zone here, this old cloud chart support level there of 22,902. That failed, and then the front end of the cloud, yeah, that level turned out to be a resistance zone, never mind support. So the front end of the cloud is a major resistance zone there, 21,000. And then these highs here also failed. So now we're looking at these downside risk targets on the daily Ichimoku. You can see there's three levels to watch out for. 13,888, which we can get from the monthly chart. 11,816 now is this bottom end cloud chart level, and then 9,814 is the ultimate, the other line on the monthly, together with these levels here, that cluster of support there, these old cloud chart support levels there. So these are all the downside risk targets on Bitcoin on the weekly. Now if we look at the daily, you can see there's been the major sell signal was way up here when it generated the sell signal above the cloud, and then the other secondary sell signal was then sliced through the bottom in the cloud. There was a couple of short-term swing trades when it rebounded from these cloud chart support levels. Cloud crossed there, only to run into more resistance zone there to the 48,000 level. Then another sell signal on the daily as it sliced through the bottom end of the cloud here, and then the taps just opened. You can see here the resistance, the cloud chart resistance held there at the front end of the cloud in July and August. And then another one, these, as we went down, these cloud chart levels just kept on coming as key resistance zones on the way down. You can see that one also got very close to the top end of the cloud resistance there. Also sliced through the cloud. And now we can see the next levels are 13,888. 11,816, 9,814, and 8,817. So watch out for a potential rebound from these levels if support comes back into Bitcoin at these levels. Turning to the 4-hour chart, you can see there how this sliced through the cloud. Yeah, major sell signal there. Taps just opened, and then tried to consolidate of the move, and then just kept on drifting lower. Now, interestingly enough, these levels here on the 4-hour, these lows here, roughly those levels there, being tested. So critical to see if we're going to find a rebound from this zone back up, or is this, if the support level fails, then we're most likely going to test these 13,888 zones to the downside. But so far the cloud remains a key resistance zone, and absolutely critical for support to come back in to the coin at these levels. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.